you for taking the time today to answer some questions about your new packaging concept, Organix Tags. Before we get started, would you like to say a few words to your person?
Yes, hello. Thank you that we have the chance to make this interview. Yeah, my name is Wolfram Kallinger. I'm product manager of hawo. Perhaps I can give you some ideas about hawo. Hawo is a manufacturer of film sealing machines, mainly to seal plastic film, of course. We started in 1975 with the production of such sealing machines, and we are producing these machines for the medical sector, dental sector, pharmaceutical, medical packaging, and as well for industry and to pack textiles like the Organix.
Okay, hang on please. You said you are a manufacturer of plastic film sealing devices. Shouldn't it be of your interest that your buyers and customers keep using and buying plastic films? So how did you come up with the idea of developing an alternative packaging concept?
Yes, it seems that it would be good for us to leave it as it is, to use plastic film. But we are looking in the future. We are a future-oriented company. Yes, and since nothing happened in this area, in this sector, we decided to develop a sustainable concept, a sustainable packaging concept. All of us has seen pictures from plastic waste all over the world, and it's not only it's a global system, and this was the idea to avoid plastic waste wherever we can. And our machines are film sealing machines, and so our idea was to avoid in this sector plastic film.
So what is new about Organix Tags compared to conventional bioplastics?
Yeah, the different to bioplastic is for bioplastic you have to grow up food. For us it was important that the raw material is not food. We use a raw material from the potato starch, the peel of the potato. That means the peel of the potato, not the potato itself. This is produced for food, of course, but the waste of this can be used to produce our organics material. So it's 100% plastic free. The raw material is here, local, available, and the energy for the production is solar energy. Therefore, Organix Tags is 100% home compostable.
So can I just throw the material on the compost?
Yes, you throw it on the compost. Yes, and Organix is already industrial compostable in many countries all over the world.
Does rotting also take place outside the compost, for example in the wardrobe? And what about smell problems?
Organix does not disintegrate in the wardrobe.
Can you briefly show me how Organix is handled?
Yes, of course. Yeah, it's a combination of a machine and the material. The material is placed to the machine, and we fill the machine with the tube of Organix. Here we have an already packed clothes. We take a new one, hang it inside the machine, then we pull it, we cover it, we seal it by closing the lever, and that's it. And now we have an exactly sized, optimized packaging. Please check it.
Wow, it feels smooth, just like silk.
Yes, it's a really nice material, and one advantage is there is no statically charging like with plastic, so the wrapping is much easier, and it's very smooth to cover.
But frankly said, it was a clever idea to develop organics. Now your customers have to throw away existing hawo pack machines and buy new organics machines.
No, this is part of our concept. You can use old, or let's say very old machines, more than 30 years ago, for organics. We offer an upgrade kit. This is to change the sealing stems, and then you can run organics and all other materials. For example, these are the stems. You replace them, and then you also have a break that the cover cannot go away, and that's all. And then you have the possibility or to use the old equipment which it's still running. This is part of our idea. The sustainability of the equipment, of the complete concept. Otherwise, of course, you had to buy a new machine that's good for manufacturers but not for the environment. And this was the idea.
But I can use organics tags with hawo or organics devices only, right?
No, you can use it for a lot of other brands. That doesn't matter which kind of machine you're using. For example, we made some tests with semi and fully automatic machines. It's perfect running the material.
This sounds good, but how does it look in terms of pricing? Many cleaners and laundries have to suffer from great price pressure.
Yes, price is always a big argument. Organics tags will be a little bit more expensive if you compare it with plastic. That time. Also the prices for plastic will increase. Yes, but it's a big argument. At the moment, I think the customer has to spend some more cents or pennies for this packaging. We are the opinion that a clean environment we will not receive that free of charge. We are 100% sure about that. So we think you have to invest in the future. And it's only a small part, the textile packaging, but this is the part of us. And our idea was to avoid plastic waste wherever we can. And in this area we have the possibility. And so we decided to go this way, to go the organics way, to go to organics.
And how should the employees in laundries and dry cleaners explain this concept to their customers? They simply don't have the time for long discussions.
Of course, they have no time to advise and explain what organics mean. We developed marketing tools, for example posters and flyers, which could help the cleaners to show the idea of organics. At the end, the decision is made by the end user, not by the cleaner. The cleaner has the possibility to offer an alternative packaging concept. This is the idea. And we talked with a lot of end users and they appreciate this kind of packaging concept. And they also would be ready to send some cent or pennies for a packaging like this. They want to go this way, they want to join us. At the end, we are speaking about clean or to avoid a clean world or to avoid plastic waste. In a very simple way, we give an idea of this concept. This is, perhaps we can see that now, from the potato to potato. I think everybody knows what does it mean.
Okay, thank you very much. I think I got the
Welcome.
idea of organics. Would you like to add something in your closing remarks?
Yes, thank you. Yeah, the world is calling for alternative packaging solutions, and we from the industry we should think future oriented, and this is what hawo do all the time. also in the past. Sustainable products and also future-oriented 100% plastic-free packaging, home compostable. This was our goal. And I think with Organix we did perhaps only a small part of all the plastic weight, but we did. And we could only say everybody who wants to come with us, join us.